Hi, my name is Himani Mishra, and I'm the founder and managing director of my company, Brand Radiator. It's quite surprising and happy moment for us to see that Bihar and BSSA has taken such a wonderful step for women athletes and their health and wellness. Yes, this policy is going to help largely the women athletes of India about their health and wellness because in today's time also people are still hesitant about talking about a very common normal process which women go through, and that is the periodic cycle, the periods. This is and Along with periods, it's not just a bleeding cycle which happens for 5 6 days. It's a lot of it includes lot of other physical as well as emotional and mental ups and downs and sine curve which comes in a female's life along with this. So this policy will help, number one, the primary audience, which is the female athlete themselves, understand that where the problem is and where they can seek help, how their cycle moves, and how it can affect their performance in the sports field. Secondly, this is the policy is being drafted in such a nice way with keeping stakeholders from across the domains, so that even the secondary audience can benefit from this. The secondary audience, the first step starts at home, and then the schools, the colleges, their coaches, everybody is involved in understanding and implementation of this policy. So definitely, this policy is going to help improve the athletic performance of the female in India. Missing out on any medal. uh, and it's a very proud moment. So sitting in a tier three state like Bihar, and this conservative topic being openly discussed, the policy being drafted, it's a wonderful initiative by the government, and congratulations to taking this initiative along with the sports department. Yeah, this model is definitely going to work not only in schools but workplace as well. Because when we go to schools, this education primarily needs to be embedded there. The training need not be restricted only to the females, but that should also inculcate in all the males as well as all the coaches, their teachers, the PET teachers. So, if it is the training is imparted to them, the policy is deep rooted at this level at home. Definitely at school and college level, the athletes are going to get benefited from this.